Use mercenary. Do I have it on this account? I do today. Big titty goddess. It's big titty goddess. Also, they're all squishy, so I kind of want to go dark harvest and like one shot. Is that bad?
Well, yes. Okay. Well, no. Well, sort of, kind of.
Okay, I'm being skinny. Wow, he didn't try to stun me there. That's interesting. I was like waiting. Thank you, bestie.
Hey, bitch. What's up, bitch?
Oh my god, Lilia, find somewhere to be. Find somewhere to be. Ugh! Ooh. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I should have been that aggressive. I'm sorry. Ooh. I'll say it's 6 though. Ooh.
Let's go. A tornado is forming. Bye.
Are you serious? Neither of them died there? Neither of them died there! 1 HP! Kill him, please. He doesn't die. He doesn't die! I'll be here for you while you clear that, but... Okay, well, this Senna wants to play games. Right. You want to play fucking games. Let's see if the Xerath decided to greed. He did not. I'm shocked. I thought he was gonna figure I wouldn't want to come fight him, but I was like, babes, I'm so ready. You don't understand how crazy I am when I play this fucking character, okay? Fight always. Oh, they know I'm coming. That's awkward. Damn it! Okay, so got this period. 9 stacks worth. Jin knew my ass was coming so early too. He said, bye bitch, left instead of to die. That's actually hilarious. Ew. Oh, I kill him here. He's being greedy as fuck. Maybe. Please, think thin! Ooh, it's not thin enough. And that's 10 Dark Seal stacks.
Now that's a lot of damage!
Oh, oh bitch! Bye! Bye ho! Oh! Ew, why? What is wrong with you? Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't move. Jesus Christ. Dark Harvest Katarina gameplay. Not AP. But I want a good Ari game. I'm coming. Yoink!
Oh! What you say? Queen?
Hi. Hi. Get fucking devoured. Oh, if that hit. It would have been so good. Ooh, but I ate up that Rakan though. Really? Yeah, I was gonna say, I don't know about it. Stop. Ooh. Ooh, I missed! Shit. No, we're not scared of her here. Yeah. Oh my god, it was my song of the year. Literally listened to it like almost 300 times in the span of a few months. Wink up, look up in the mirror. 2,000 times. Jesus Christ, that almost just gave me a stroke. Listen, if you want to climb in League, just listen to this and live your bad bitch fantasy, okay? Because that's what I did. If you want to climb, just put the song on repeat and watch the magic happen.
When I'm with my ladies, oh, the party don't stop. And we don't need no fire, cause we already hot. Fresh, so clean, still the scene. Drip, pouring, cause I'm a 10. I know, yeah, you know what to high up to give a what. BBS has got nothing on me. Want it, got it, flaunt it, I am queen. Please with blessings, look at my body. Wake up, look up in the mirror. TGIF.
She really entered for me. Ugly rat.
Sheesh, thank God I'm fly. Thank God I'm fly. Thank God I'm fly. You call it cocky, I call it true.
What is wrong with you? Literally, what's wrong with you? Why would you do that? Hello? I don't know what I just saw.
I'm so tahiti, hot and breezy, off the heezy on the IG, YTTT. Fresh to death, my flying is best, like heaven sent me. God's my witness, the drip to take me. Ooh la la, my ladies, get your moolah. Ooh la la, my ladies, never cooler. All across the globe and not the solar. Nobody come me close when we show up. BBS has got nothing on me. Want it, got it, flaunt it, I am queen. I'm lucky, I'm fresh, look at me, I'm blessed. Wake up, look up in the mirror. TGIF. Oh, thank God I'm fly. Thank God I'm fly. Thank God I'm fly. You call it cocky, I call it true. When I'm with my ladies, oh, the party don't stop. And we don't need no fire, cause we already hot. Yeah, I'm with my ladies and the party don't stop. So we gon' bring the fire, drip it like it's higher than the clouds. I am all the way up.
Please, no, she was so low. Okay, it's fine. GG.
Damn, thank God I'm fly.